You didn't grow up dreaming of working in insurance. But here's why: it might just be the career path you didn't know you needed. Let's be honest, most people stumble into insurance. Maybe you didn't major in risk management. Maybe it wasn't on your radar after graduation. But here's the thing. The property and casualty insurance industry touches nearly every part of the economy. Real estate, transportation, energy, sports, small businesses, global trade, you name it, and insurance is behind it. So even if it wasn't your first choice, here's why insurance deserves a second look. First, it's massive. The US P&C insurance industry alone writes over $1 trillion in annual premiums. It employs nearly 3 million people across thousands of roles, from underwriting and claims to data science, legal, marketing, finance, cybersecurity, and more. Second, it's stable. While many industries go through volatile booms and busts, insurance offers long-term career security and strong compensation, especially if you gain technical expertise in high-demand areas like catastrophe risk, analytics, or specialty lines like cyber or marine. Third, it's purpose-driven. Insurance exists to help people recover when things go wrong. It's about protecting lives, businesses, and communities. That means your work matters. Whether you're assessing wildfire risk, helping a small business rebuild after a flood, or designing insurance products for underserved markets, you're making a tangible impact. Fourth, it's changing fast. With emerging tech like AI, drones, IoT, and predictive analytics, the insurance landscape is transforming. Insurtechs are building new digital experiences. Legacy carriers are hiring for innovation roles. If you're entrepreneurial or curious about emerging tech, there's space for you to contribute. And finally, it's full of hidden opportunities. Want to work remote? Plenty of roles are hybrid or fully virtual. Want to grow into leadership? Insurance companies often promote from within. Want to explore multiple industries? Insurance gives you exposure to dozens. So no, maybe it wasn't your first choice, but it might just be your smartest one. If you're a student, career switcher, or early professional, start by exploring customer service, underwriting support, claims assistant roles, or analyst internships. Once you're in, the growth potential is huge, and the skills are transferable across the entire financial services world. So next time someone says insurance is boring, tell them this: it's stable, growing, purpose-driven, and full of ways to make a difference. Still not convinced? Follow Insur Knowledge for more career insights, insurance trends, and real-world examples that prove this industry is anything but boring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're ready to rethink your path forward.